Now, let's look at this question. The question says, determine the striped area bounded by the graph of f of x equals negative x squared plus x and the x-axis as shown below. So, on our diagram, we are shown the area that we need to calculate. I'll just shade it in blue. We need to calculate this area here. Okay. Now, before we calculate this area, we need to know the boundaries that we are going to use to calculate this area. Our boundaries in this case is lower boundary equal to 0 and upper boundary equal to 1. Okay, so let's write our equation. F of x is equal to negative x squared plus x. Then what we are looking for here, we are looking for the integral of this equation, dx, between lower boundary, as we said before, is 0 and upper boundary is 1. Please, once again, do not mix the boundaries up. Make sure the upper boundary is put in the right place as well as the lower boundary put in the right place. The next step is to do our integral. Integral of negative x cubed is, integral of negative x squared is negative x cubed over 3, and the integral of x is x squared over 2 between our boundaries 1 and 0. That's our next step. Our next step is to substitute 1 on the integral. So we'll have negative into 1 cubed over 3 plus 1 squared over 2. Then subtract the substitution of 0 into the integral. If we substitute 0 into the integral, we will get 0. Okay, so all that we will do now is to punch this into our calculator and see what answer we get. So what we have negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. And the answer that we get is 1 over 6 square units. 1 over 6 units squared. Let's check that on a calculator. We are looking for the integral of x squared negative x squared plus x dx. Lower boundary is 0, upper boundary is 1. Answer is 1 over 6. So that's our correct answer.